Please check your work against mine. So the first one I got negative 29. Second one I got 1/3. Then I got 11x plus 7. And then number 8 I got 3x minus 5 is greater than or equal to 17. So this is your opportunity to look those over and say, like Bree could say, Mr. Anderson, on number 4, I got 5 minus 3x. You got 3x minus 5. Is that any different? What do you think, Bree? Is that any different?
3x minus 5.
So I got 3x minus 5. You have 5 minus 3x. Is that the same thing?
Yes.
5 minus 3x, 3x minus 5 the same? It is not. It is definitely not the same. So this one's subtle, right? I mean, she obviously got 3x right. And she obviously there was subtraction going on, but she basically reversed the order of subtraction. I would encourage you to think about it like this. If I asked you to guess my age, and you said, I don't know, 70, and I said, how about 26 less than that? Would you do 26 minus 70? Or 70 minus 26?
70 minus 26.
I'm not negative 44. So you do 70, you just know to do that. So I would encourage you to think, when we use the words less than in our regular day-to-day lives, we know what that means. In math, it means the same thing. It means if it's 26 less than something, you're going to go something minus 26, not 26 minus something. So don't let the math get in the way of just your understanding of everyday language. Also a great example, I caught Bree just like flipping her paper over. She's like, I'm good. But I'm glad I caught her because I got to ask the question for her, right? Right, Bree?
Yes.
Yeah, so this is an opportunity for you to interact with me and or your classmates and say, hey, Mr. Anderson, on number 3, I got 7 plus 11x. Is that the same thing? And we would say?
No. No.
Yes. 7 plus 11x. That is definitely the same thing. For the third one. Anyways. So I'm trying to ask the questions for you, but I can only go so far with that. Does anybody have their own question? Anybody have their own thought, concern, or question? All right, well, you get one more day to practice this, then we'll do our quiz on Friday. We're going to finish our day at the end of our class with our concept quiz on translating. But for right now, we're going to do a little classroom exercise. It's going to give you a chance to get up and move around. So don't get up yet. I want you to look around the classroom, like the back board. Do those words you see on the board look sort of familiar?
Yes.
If you watch the intro video, then I would hope that they would be sort of familiar. You might not be an expert at it yet, but that's part of what was covered in the intro video. And then if you look a little closer around the room, there are some little skinny pieces of paper. Some over there, some up here, some right behind Sydney and Bray. Look at those words. Do you see those? Like associative property, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah.
Commutative property, blah, 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 that kind of thing. You see all those? Okay. You see all those. Now I want you to look back there at that very back empty table. You see the little papers with the tape? The blue tape? The very, very back table? You see the countertop behind Sydney? Yep. Same stuff. You see my desk? Same stuff. So I want you to, there's 3 different locations, so you can kind of move around a little bit. I want you to go back and pick up a couple of those and look what's written on the other side and see if you can match what's written on the other side with some of the stuff written around the room or the stuff on the backboard. And once you think you found a match, I want you to take that piece of paper tape and tape it in the appropriate spot. That make sense? There you go. Everybody should be up moving around. Let's get all of those up on the wall wherever you think they ought to be.